Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at euro dollar and British pound US dollar, we can see that early today euro dollar and British pound US dollar had a strong breakdown, and the price on euro dollar, as you can see, has broken significant level of support, and we can see after that there is a rejection. So let's see on the lower time frame how we can trade both of this instrument. Now before we look at the lower time frame potential entry, let's look at the higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. So looking at monthly on euro dollar long term picture, we can see that it's a bull market. We can see that there was a consolidation here, and then there was a series of higher low on euro USD. After this consolidation and series of higher low, we can see the market after previous monthly bullish candle with a long wick at the top this month. So we can see that the market from the support level, as expected, had a significant bounce towards the upside to fill that previous monthly long wick. Currently we see the price on a monthly pullback, and we can expect again potential bounce towards the upside. Dropping down to the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly price action on euro dollar. This is a previous week we saw a bullish candle, and week before we saw a long week doji. This week so far we can see the market initially had a bounce broken to the upside. Currently the price again has dropped back down below the weekly support level. We can expect now euro dollar for the market to bounce and then to go back up to the resistance line to retest, as it is a long term bull market, and you can see the price from this support level form a series of higher low, expecting it to move back up to the resistance again from the weekly time frame. Dropping down to the daily chart, we can see that from the daily previous day there is a bullish candle. This day we can see the price has broken that support, and after break of this support, the market had a initial bounce again from this support level, and with that bounce, as you can see, the price after breaking the daily low initially had an initial rejection, as it is an important level of support in that area, expecting euro dollar again go back up to the daily resistance line. From the lower time frame perspective, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that euro dollar after grabbing liquidity from this doji area, there is a strong drop here. And what we can see here, there is a bullish candle, which is a bullish middleman, and the price has broken all this low. After breaking up all this low, euro dollar currently again trying to bounce back up to the resistance line again. As we can see, the price has broken the low, quite a few important candle here, and there is a massive drop. What I think that the euro dollar may try to bounce back up again to the daily resistance line that we are expecting. So if we look at the 15 minutes price action, we can see that in this lower time frame euro dollar had a big drop, and now it is slowly trying to bounce back up. And if you closely look at, we can see that there is a support here, support here, support here, and also there is a support here. And in this support area we can see that there is a long wick doji followed by another bullish candle, expecting euro dollar to remain bullish to the upside for short term, at least to this neckline of this support, which is turning resistance here. This is where I will be waiting for potential entry opportunity on euro dollar for this potential move to the upside. As soon as you will find, we will be looking for going long. Looking at British pound US dollar, similarly, we can see that monthly chart on GBPUSD, which is basically a bull market. And in this bullish market, on we can see that previous months there is a bullish middleman formation. This month, after initial retest, we can see the market had an initial bounce towards the upside. Dropping down to the weekly chart, we can see that after back-to-back 2 weekly doji formation, there is a weekly bullish candle. This week, we can see the market again had an initial bounce towards the upside. Dropping down to the daily, also we can see that from the daily perspective, British pound US dollar after previous daily bullish engulfer, today the market had a drop, and expecting for the market to bounce back up again to retest this daily resistance line. If we look at the intraday perspective, we can see that GBPUSD, there was a local breakdown here. We have seen that there is a breakup structure followed by a bullish move. And what we can see here currently, the market is trying to bounce back up as we see the along with the euro dollar, expecting GBPUSD also to create another bullish momentum. As we can see, there is a bullish pin bar and quite a few narrow candle formation can give GBPUSD also potential bullish opportunity. As soon as you will find suitable entry, also we will be looking to go long on GBPUSD with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this free analysis and education, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.